Hello everyone, this is Anjali and I hope that this quarantine is treating you great. And if not, I totally believe that you're doing something to make it great for you. And today in this video, I'm going to help you a little. I'm going to tell you about 5 life-changing non-fiction books which are free on Scribd, and you can go and check it because that platform is offering 30 days free membership right now, and it has a lot to offer. It has so many audiobooks, so many snapshots from the book, and I am literally loving it. So I found these books there, and I thought that these are the books from different genres that can help people in many ways in this period. So here it is. Let's just begin. The first book is from habit building genre, because I've already told you in so many videos that this is the best time to create a habit. This is the best time to build a routine, and that is why this is the first book, which is this, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book, I have already recommended this book, so I'm just going to tell you in brief about it. This book gives us 7 habits of highly successful people, and this book does not tell you that this is the habit and you have to adapt it in this way. It also tells you, among all the habits, why are these 7 habits you must adapt to become successful. See, habit plays a very important role in your life, in your success. Like, it's the basic fundamental. So this book will give you all the insights into that too, and will tell you why you need to adapt this particular habit and how you can adapt it. So don't miss out on this one. The next book is from self-help motivation genre, which is this, You Can Win by Shiv Khera. This is actually one of the amazing books, and this book tells you about how you can win in every situation of your life. It gives you the confidence. It tells you how to build that confidence. It tells you how to build that self-esteem, how to stay motivated. It tells you how your attitude affects your life and how you can change it and become a positive person, become an optimistic person. This book is not just this book isn't something that you just read one and that's all. Even though when I feel demotivated, like I don't feel like I should do anything, I still go to this book. I read poems in this book. I read small paragraphs, and this is something that always push me to do my best. And all the poems in this book are awesome and I love them. So this is the book which I highly recommend. This is free there. Do not miss out on this one also, because this is something that you will never regret reading. So yes. The next book is from psychological genre, which is this, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book is one of the most recommended book in psychological genre, because this book tells us about our subconscious mind, how it works and how we can use it for our own good. This book covers almost every area of our life, like wealth, personal finance, relationships, interpersonal relationships, health, and this book even tells us about the feelings that we hold the most. It also tells us how to forgive, how you can use your thoughts to forgive someone, and many things like that. This book basically, if you use it in the right way, can change your entire life. It can change your every area, and it can change your life completely if you use it in the right way. Even though if I still read this book twice, I find something new. This book has a full of knowledge to give to you, and it's up to you how you take it. So give this book a try and see how much you can get from it. It's free there. The next book is from finance psychology, which is this, Think and Grow Rich by Napolean Hill. This book is actually one of the best book when it comes to finance and psychology, because this book tells us that rich is just a mentality, and how you can manipulate your thoughts, how you can direct it and get the results that you want. And this book is research based. Author wanted to know, what is that thing that made some people highly successful, or are they just being lucky? So this book is actually research based. It has 13 principles to give you, and the content of this book is really awesome. So definitely try this one. The last book is from spiritual genre, which is this Inner Engineering by SadhGuru. I'm currently reading this book and I'm really loving it. I have just one thing to say, that if you're a spiritual seeker and if you're on your spiritual journey, then you must read this book. And if you, even if you're not, you can still go through this book. It will definitely change your perception for a lot of things. This book has two parts. First part tells you about the insights of life, of many things, and then second part is, I guess, about the exercises, because it has various things. I have just overlooked it, but I don't know. So but this book is something that I recommend, because I am recommending it halfway through because I loved it so much. It has insights, it has some deep insights for life, and they are just amazing. Even, I marked in the book, and in so many pages I have just, put a star into every paragraph, that this is something important, this is something important. So yes, this is going like this for me. So you can go and check this book out, and if you want a detailed review for this book, then do let me know. So that's it, guys. Let's have a quick recap. The first book is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Think and Grow Rich, You Can Win, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and Inner Engineering. So do check this book out. The links are in the description. Let me know if you like the experience of audiobook or not. I'm soon going to create a video about my experience with it, or with audiobooks. And I want to thank you guys for, being with me for 1 year. BookXp has completed its first year, and for 2000 subscribers on Instagram. I'm really, really grateful for it. Thank you so much. Do enjoy this quarantine time, because we don't have any other choice. So let's just accept it and move on and build ourselves. I see you guys next time.